What if I told you that AI may have learned from your photos, your videos, your writing, even your social media posts without ever asking you? Is that legal or is it copyright infringement? Let's find out. AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude did not become smart overnight. They were trained on massive amounts of human created content. Books, articles, images, videos, websites. Here's the real big question. If that content belongs to someone else, can AI company legally use it to train their model? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. That is why some of the world's biggest AI companies are now facing billion-dollar lawsuits. Here is where things get complicated. AI companies don't usually claim they own your work. Instead, they argue that training an AI model isn't the same as copying or republishing your content. Their argument is simple. AI studies patterns from millions, even billions of examples and learn how languages, images, and ideas work together. Think of it like a student reading thousands of books. The student learns from them but does not memorize every page. AI companies say their models work the same way, but many creators completely disagree. They argue that using copyrighted work without permission, even for training, is still using someone else's property. And if that training helps them build a billion-dollar business, shouldn't the original creators be asked first or at least be paid? The real question courts are trying to answer right now. This isn't just an internet debate anymore. It's happening inside courtrooms. Authors, artists, musicians, programmers, and even major news organizations have filed lawsuits against AI companies. Their claim is simple. Our copyrighted work was used without our permission. One of the biggest cases comes from the New York Times, which sued OpenAI and Microsoft, claiming its articles were used to train AI systems without any agreement. These lawsuits could completely change how AI is trained in the future. But here is something most people don't realize. None of these cases have created one final rule that applies to every AI model. That is why the legal battle is still far from over. So, is AI training actually legal? Right now, there isn't one clear answer. In US, many of these cases are still being decided. A big part of this debate revolves around something called fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine that can allow copyrighted material to be used without permission in certain situations. AI companies argue that training a model is transformative. In other words, they are not copying content to replace it, they are using it to teach an AI how to recognize patterns and generate new outputs. Creators strongly disagree. They argue that AI companies are building billion-dollar products using copyrighted work they never paid for, and that's exactly what the courts are trying to decide. The outcome of these lawsuits won't just affect AI companies, it could change the future of internet, creative work, and copyright law itself. Do you think AI companies should be allowed to train on copyrighted content without permission, or should creators always have the right to say no? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.